Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload video to Shopify website. There are two ways you can do this. The first option I'll be showing you would work best if you're on the free plan. If you're on the free plan, you can either choose to add the video to the product page or you can choose to add it to your home page. For example, let's say you like to add it to your product page. You could select products from the top left hand corner. Then select the product page that you would like to add it to. Once you have selected the product page, what I want you to do next, more than likely you have a YouTube account since you're watching this YouTube video. What I want you to do is quickly upload your video onto your YouTube channel. Then once you have uploaded your video, just like what you see right here, once you have uploaded your video, I want you to save it as unlisted. So that means that it would only be visible to persons that you share the link with. Once you have saved it, the next thing I want you to do is tap on View on YouTube in the top left hand corner. Then once you have done that, the video is going to open up in a new tab. Then you are going to tap on Share below the video title and you are going to tap on Embed. After you have tapped on Embed, you can see the embed code right here. So you can choose where you would like it to start, so you can select that if you want. Once you are finished, you are going to simply copy the embed code. So I can copy it right there and I'm going to go back into Shopify. Once back in Shopify, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Insert Video. Then you'll simply paste in the link that you have copied and tap on Insert Video. Now if I should select Preview, you can see the video right here. And if they tap on play, it will automatically start playing. Another thing that you can also do if you're on the paid plan, all you'll need to do to add a video or upload video to your Shopify store is by simply going over to the left hand menu option and tapping on content. After selecting content, you're going to tap on files. Then from there, you could tap on upload files in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can search for the file that you would like to add. So for example, MP4, then you could tap on open. But if you are not on the paid plan, this will not work as it will show up as unsupported. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.